The Oslo Metro, also known as the T-bane, has undergone significant evolution since its establishment in 1898. From its humble beginnings as a single line, the metro network has expanded over the years, covering more areas and increasing its total length. This write-up will explore the evolution of the Oslo Metro from 1898 to 2022, highlighting key milestones, notable station names, and the growth of the network. In 1898, the Oslo Metro was inaugurated with the opening of Line 1, also known as the Holmenkollen line. The initial stretch covered a distance of 6.3 kilometers, connecting the city center with the Holmenkollen ski jump area. Notable stations along this line included Majorstuen, Nationaltheatret, and Frognerseter. In 1899, the first line of the Oslo Metro, now known as Line 1 or Frognerseter line, was inaugurated on October 22nd. It initially ran from Nationaltheatret to Majorstuen, covering a distance of 2.2 kilometers. In 1906, a new station, Tøyen, was added to Line 1, extending the line by approximately 1 kilometer. Then, in 1912, Line 1 was extended further from Majorstuen to Frognerseter, adding 7.5 kilometers to the line. Notable stations along this extension included Vinderen and Holmenkollen. In 1923, a short extension of Line 1 from Frognerseter to Trivanstua was introduced, adding an additional 1 kilometer to the line. In 1924, Line 2, also known as the Østensjø line, was introduced. It extended from the city center to Brinseng, covering a distance of 4.1 kilometers. Notable stations on this line included Tøyen and Brinseng. In 1925, Line 3, also known as the Skilsås line, was introduced. It extended from Stortinget to Skilsås, covering a distance of 10.5 kilometers. In 1928, Line 4, also known as the Rua line, was introduced. It extended from Majorstuen to Rua, covering a distance of 6.6 kilometers. This expansion opened up access to the western parts of Oslo, connecting residential areas with the city center. In 1930, Line 5, also known as the Lambertseter line, was introduced. It extended from Stortinget to Lambertseter, covering a distance of 7.2 kilometers. In 1933, Line 1, also known as the Frognerseter line, underwent a significant extension. It extended from Majorstuen to Frognerseter with a distance of 8.2 kilometers. In 1934, Line 3, also known as the Sognsvann line, was opened. This line extended from the city center to Sognsvann, covering a distance of 7.2 kilometers. Notable stations along this line included Stortinget, Nationaltheatret, and Forskningsparken. In the following years, the Oslo Metro network continued to grow. Line 4, also known as the Rua line, was opened in 1935, connecting the city center with Rua over a distance of 8.2 kilometers. Notable stations on this line included Majorstuen and Rua. In 1936, Line 2, also known as the Østensjø line, was extended from Brinseng to Skullerud, covering a distance of 2.6 kilometers. In 1939, Line 1, the Frognerseter line, was extended from Frognerseter to Voksenkollen, adding approximately 2.8 kilometers to the line. In 1942, Line 1, the Frognerseter line, was extended from Besserud to Rua, covering a distance of approximately 3 kilometers. In 1944, Line 1 was further extended from Rua to Sørbyhaugen, adding approximately 2.5 kilometers to the line. In 1946, Line 1 received another extension, this time from Sørbyhaugen to Grini, covering a distance of approximately 3.6 kilometers. In 1948, Line 3, also known as the Sognsvann line, was introduced. It extended from Stortinget to Sinsen. The distance covered was approximately 3 kilometers. In 1951, Line 5, the Lambertseter line, was introduced. It extended from Tøyen to Skullerud, covering a distance of approximately 5.4 kilometers. This new line improved transportation options for the eastern parts of Oslo, serving residential areas and providing a direct metro connection to Skullerud. In 1954, Line 3 was extended from Sinsen to Økern, adding around 1.7 kilometers to the line. This extension further enhanced connectivity in the northern parts of Oslo. Line 5, also known as the Vestli line, was introduced in 1966. This line extended from the city center to Vestli, covering a distance of 11.1 kilometers. Notable stations on this line included Sturo and Grorud. 1967 witnessed the extension of Line 5, known as the Lambertseter line, from Skullerud to Bergkrystallen, spanning 1.8 kilometers of distance. A notable milestone occurred in 1970 when Line 1, the Frognerseteren line, expanded its reach from Sørbyhaugen to Østerås, covering a distance of roughly 6.2 kilometers. In 1971, Oslo's transportation network welcomed the introduction of Line 4, known as the Vestli line. This line originated from Karl Berners Plass and extended all the way to Bergkrystallen, encompassing a distance of approximately 7.6 kilometers. Building on the momentum of expansion, Line 2, the Østensjø line, underwent a significant extension in 1974. The line was elongated from Brinsing to Bühler, covering a distance of approximately 2.4 kilometers. The year 1977 marked another important milestone with the further extension of Line 5, stretching from Bergkrystallen to Liabru, spanning roughly 2.3 kilometers. The developments continued in 1980 when Line 6, the Sognsvann line, underwent expansion from Majorstuen to Østerås, covering a distance of approximately 4.7 kilometers. In 1981, Line 2, the Østensjø line, was extended from Bühler to Haugerud, covering a distance of approximately 2 kilometers. The year 1987 witnessed the inauguration of Line 7, known as the Ground Line. This new line ran from Stuttige to Grorud, spanning approximately 9.8 kilometers. Continuing the expansion efforts, Line 4, the Vestli line, saw an extension in 1988 from Karl Berners Plass to Ammerud, covering a distance of approximately 1.8 kilometers. Another noteworthy development occurred in 1990 when Line 5, the Lambertseter line, underwent an extension from Bergkrystallen to Ellingsrudåsen, spanning roughly 4.6 kilometers. In the same year, Line 6, the Sognsvann line, was expanded from Østerås to Kolsås, covering a distance of approximately 4.5 kilometers. In 1993, Line 6, also known as the Ring Line, was opened as a circular line around the city center. It connected major interchange stations and provided convenient transfers between other lines. Notable stations on this line included Stortinget, Nationaltheatret, and Majorstuen. Extending its reach, Line 2, or the Østensjø line, saw a significant expansion in 1996, stretching from Brinsing to Ellingsrudåsen. This extension spanned approximately 3.8 kilometers, extending the line further into the eastern neighborhoods of Oslo and opening up new opportunities for residents in those areas. A major advancement occurred in 2003 with the expansion of Line 5, the Lambertseter line, from Sturo to Nydalen. This extension covered a distance of about 2.6 kilometers. In 2007, Line 5, which is the Ring Line, experienced a major expansion with the addition of 3 new stations, Sognsvann, Påsen, and Ring. This extension not only improved access to residential areas, but also connected important educational institutions, such as the University of Oslo and BI Norwegian Business School. A significant milestone occurred in 2009, where the new underground station of Majorstuen was inaugurated. This modern station, located in the heart of the city, provided convenient transfers between lines 1, 2, 3, and 5, streamlining the travel experience for thousands of passengers daily. In 2010, the Oslo Metro introduced a new ticketing system, replacing the traditional paper tickets with electronic travel cards known as Ruter cards. In 2013, Line 1, the Frognerseteren line, underwent a significant upgrade with the introduction of new and more comfortable rolling stock. A notable extension occurred in 2013 when Line 4, the Vestli line, was extended from Bergkrystallen to Luren. In 2015, Line 2, the Østensjø line, witnessed a major improvement with the completion of the automatic train control system, also known as the ADC. In 2016, Line 5, the Ring line, experienced an extension from Sognsvann to Ringstabekk, adding 2 new stations, Holstein and Ringstabekk. A major development occurred in 2017 with the opening of the new station at Sturo, serving as an important interchange hub for lines 4 and 5. In 2019, Line 2, the Østensjø line, underwent an extension from Ellingsrudåsen to Lørenskog, extending the line further eastward. A significant milestone was reached in 2020 with the introduction of a new fleet of environmentally friendly metro trains. These trains, powered by electricity, contributed to reducing carbon emissions and noise pollution, aligning with Oslo's commitment to sustainability and green initiatives. In 2021, Line 5, the Ring Line, experienced another extension, connecting the existing Sognsvann line to Fornebu. This extension added 4 new stations: Skøyen, Lysaker, Stabekk, and Fornebu, significantly improving accessibility to the Fornebu Peninsula. In 2022, Line 2, the Østensjø line, underwent an extension from Lørenskog to Aos, expanding the line further eastward. This extension aimed to improve connectivity to Akershus University Hospital, a major healthcare facility serving the Oslo region. As of 2022, the Oslo Metro network consists of 6 main lines: Line 1, Holmenkollen line; Line 2, Østensjø line; Line 3, Sognsvann line; Line 4, Røa line; Line 5, Vestli line; and Line 6, Ring line. The total length of the network is approximately 102 kilometers, serving numerous stations across Oslo and its surrounding areas. The Oslo Metro has played a crucial role in providing efficient and sustainable transportation for residents and visitors alike. With its extensive network,